I'm going to take you through another scenario using some logical operators and comparative operators here. So instead of just using boring old equals, let's use if C6 is greater than 3, then we want to say bacon, because why not? You should always say bacon anytime chance you can. So, and then also if C6 is less than 2, if it's less than 2, then we're going to say howdy. And then otherwise, we're going to say test message. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Right now we have the number 3 there, so F8, F8. So C6 we see is 3. So it's let's do greater than or equal to. If C6 is greater than or equal to 3, so it is equal to anyway, so the message would come back as bacon. So now if we have the number, let's say we have 0 in there or -1 or something, then it will come through and it'll say, well, no, that's not true, but else if it's less than 2, well, yeah, so it's going to say howdy. Okay, so now what if I just put some text in there, some random gibberish? Now here's the kicker, you need to learn this. It's going to say, because it's text in that cell, it's going to say that that is greater than 3. So it's going to actually say, it's going to try to tell me that that is greater than 3. Well, no, text, it's sorted as higher up in the food chain, if you will, than 3, but we don't really exactly want to consider that greater than or equal to 3, okay? So we're going to put an extra kicker in there. We're going to say if the range C6 is greater than or equal to 3, and it also has to be not numeric, or it also has to be a number, basically, and is numeric range C6. So if that is not only a number, but it also has to be greater than or equal to 3, then, and only then, if it's a number, will you do bacon. So that way it skips over, because that is not numeric, that's text. And then it won't ever consider that. So it'll go to your else. Just remember that text somehow considers itself greater than any numbers. So you'll have to compensate that way.